Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet super helpful feature on Snapchat: how to enable alerts for trending lenses notifications. If you love staying up to date with the hottest lenses everyone's using, this guide will make sure you never miss a beat. Let's get started and make sure those trending lens alerts are turned on for you. First, grab your phone and go straight to your device's settings. This is where everything begins. Once you're inside settings, look for the section labeled Apps, or sometimes it might say Applications. It depends on your phone. Tap on that to see all the apps installed on your device. Now, scroll through the list and find Snapchat. Once you tap on Snapchat, you'll see several options related to the app itself. The one we want is Notifications. This is where you control how and when Snapchat can send you alerts. Inside Notifications, look for something called Notification Categories. This feature breaks down the kinds of notifications Snapchat can send, giving you control over each type. Tap on Notification Categories, and you'll see different sections related to various content and features of the app. Look for the Public Content section. This is where notifications about popular Snapchat content live. Under Public Content, find and tap on Trending Lenses. This is exactly what you want to enable alerts for, so when Snapchat spots a lens going viral, you'll be the first to know. Once you're in Trending Lenses, make sure to select Alert. This ensures you get an active notification popping up on your screen to let you know about the latest fun lenses everyone is talking about. And that's it. With a few simple taps, you'll have notifications enabled for trending lenses on Snapchat. From now on, you'll never miss out on the newest, most popular lenses, making your Snapchat experience even more exciting and up to date. Thanks for watching.